am Jojo! Today, we will learn about volcanoes. Hi friends! Have you ever heard of a volcano? Boom! It's like the earth sneezing, only a lot louder and messier. A volcano is a mountain that can erupt, which means it shoots out lava, gas, and ash. But wait, where does all that lava come from? Great question, Jojo. Deep inside the earth, it's super hot. So hot that rocks melt and become a thick, gooey liquid called magma. Magma lives deep underground. But sometimes pressure builds up, just like a soda bottle being shaken. And when the pressure gets too high, kaboom! The magma bursts through cracks in the earth and comes out as lava. That's what we call a volcanic eruption. Some eruptions are big and scary, but many are small or happen far away where no people live. And guess what? Volcanoes aren't just dangerous, they also help. They make new land, rich soil for plants, and even beautiful islands. So remember, volcanoes are the Earth's way of letting off steam. Thanks for learning with us. Stay curious and see you next time. Like and subscribe for more awesome science facts.